Hello everyone, this is a tutorial requested by some people of the Broken Brains arena. The trick is called scissoring. It's not one trick, it's a name for a certain type of move. I'm going to explain the basic scissoring move. It's a full twirl, throw, catch and another full twirl. The full twirl is of course this, perfectly explained by Cutlery Lover, and the move itself is the catch like this. Now, with a Balisong with longer handles like the Benchmade Model 42, it's way easier. The longer the handles, the easier the trick, because you have to get your fingers in between the handles, and it's easier with longer handles, of course. Now, here's the explanation for the trick. So you start with a full twirl. When you do that, you take the blade like this, like you're going to throw, but you have to make sure your throw is one revolution, so one circle, one round, and you don't throw too fast. The throw itself is not very important. It's the catch that makes or breaks the trick. Regular throw is like this, and a catch, bad catch, again like that. That's a good catch. You have to catch the safe handle in between your index and middle finger, so you can go into a twirl. The basic concept is you try to catch the Balisong like this when you start learning the trick. So you throw, and I'm a bit used to doing it faster, so I catch it like this, but try to catch the blade or the Balisong like this, not the blade. And when you practice and practice and practice and practice, try to catch it like this, so you have a smooth way of doing the trick. I'm going to add some slow-mos and examples at the end of the movie, so you can check those out.